The text tool adds text to your models. You can add text to a default plane, a face, or a construction plane. Text is created as sketch regions and can be used for solid features in the same way as any other sketch. To add text to your model, select a plane where you want to add your text. From the Sketch menu, select Text. Enter your text into the Content field. Select your preferred font and alignment settings. Then, select Continue. Using the gizmo, adjust your text to your desired placement. To place your text, select Done. To finish, select Exit Sketching. In design history, sketches you subsequently create on the same plane generate a single step in the history sidebar. To view or refine history parameters for a specific sketch step, find the step for your sketch action and open the expandable card. From there, you can modify the plane and projection parameters for your sketch. To change the plane where you want your sketch to be, click or tap, edit or select the side plane. Choose a new plane or face and then select Done to finish. If you have existing linked projections on your sketch, indicated in purple, you will find a summary of the items below the projection parameter. To edit the projections on your sketch, click Edit and then select or deselect the items you want to include or exclude. To finish, select Done. To learn more about projections and the Project tool, visit our Project video.